Welcome! This video will show you how to register on HCS mobile app. When you are on the login page, click on the Register button. Here are the details needed for your account. Once you have filled in all the compulsory fields, click on the Next button. You should receive an SMS for your verification code. Fill in the verification code and click on the Verify button. Once you have created your account successfully, you can now log in with your phone number and password.